right, so ladies and gentlemen, we are looking at all the different ways of solving linear equations. So we're going to look at graphing, and then we're going to look at substitution and elimination, and then I'll give you a combination of substitution and elimination homework. Okay, graphing. Remember, you can do graphing two ways. You can graph it on the graph, or you can graph it in your calculator and find your answer. I'm going to graph it on the graph to show you guys up here, because if you don't have a graphing calculator at home, it makes it difficult. We're going to start, these are in y equals mx plus b form, so it should be pretty easy. We put a dot at the y-intercept, which is 4. Then I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3 over 1. I'm going to do it again, down 1, 2, 3 over 1. And one more time, down 3 over 1. Here is my first line. My second line, I'm going to put a dot at -2, and then I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3 over 1, and up 1, 2, 3 over 1. There's my second line. Important part, where do they cross? It crosses right here at 1, 1. That's my answer. Okay, let's look at number 2. You guys tell me, where's my first point? I've got my first line. Where should my first point be? 2 on which axis? Y-axis. And then I'm going to go up 1 over 1. Or, remember, it could be down 1 to the left 1, down 1 to the left 1 too. Okay? So there's my line. And then my next line, that's a little harder. It's on the x-axis, so I go to the x-axis. And I draw a line at -3. That's my other line. So my point is, please stop talking while I'm talking. -3, -1. That is my answer. Questions? Okay. We're going to go ahead and look at number 3. Do you guys want to do that by substitution or elimination? I want to do it by elimination because it's set up in standard form where it's got the x's and then the y's and then the number. So the only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to times this first one by a -1. Why am I doing that? Because nothing would cancel, right? So this way it cancels. 4x minus x is 3x. And now -y plus y eliminates y. That's why it's elimination. I'm eliminating it. Huh? We're not. -y plus y is 0. Okay? -9 and a -3. Is a -12. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 3, and I get x equals -4. Now I'm going to plug this into my original equation. I go 4 times -4 minus y equals -9. 4 times 4 is, okay, remember it's -16 because it's positive times a negative. Minus y equals -9. I'm going to add 16 to both sides. And I get -y equals 16 minus 9, guys. 7. And then we're going to divide it by a -1. And we get y equals -7. So my answer, make sure you put this, is -4, -7. We needed to make, y is what minus? Why are we talking over here? Okay, we needed the y's to cancel out. This is a -y, this was also a -y. I times everything by a -1. X plus y equals -3. Then I added straight down. This gave me 3x, the y's canceled, -9 minus 3 is -12. Divided by 3, negative, divided by a positive is a negative. Okay, Number 4, what do we want to do for this one? Elimination or substitution?
Yeah.
Substitution, because y just equals one thing. It makes it easier.
That makes it easy. Substitution's easy.
5x plus 4 equals negative 20. I'm going to put the negative 5 right here instead of a y. Okay? So I get 5x minus 20 equals negative 20. Going to add 20 to both sides. 5x equals 0. How do I get x by itself?
You have to plug it in.
You have to divide by 5. So x equals 0. Okay? Now I need... So I already know what y is. So I know x is 0, y is negative 5, and I'm all done. Okay? I already know that y is negative 5, so I don't have to plug anything in. Yep. Yes? Okay. So, you have your homework right here. I didn't put any graphing on it. We've done a lot of graphing in here. But I've given you substitution, elimination. A lot of you didn't finish yesterday's elimination. I recommend that you do that as well. Friday. Okay. Get all these down. I'm going to be doing this homework too. Okay. Got the rest of the hour. You got a long time to do it. Let's go.